Namaste and welcome to a new video with Simply Kaushiki. As the festive season approaches, our to-do list seems to grow longer, don't they? Diwali is my favorite festival and the time when my home truly becomes a reflection of warmth, love, tradition and a little bit of me. First thing first, I want to ensure that I have enough of Puja supplies, just making sure that I have good amount of diyas, wicks, incense sticks, etc. This year also I want to attempt in making ideals clothes all by myself. I'll see how it goes and will definitely share with you. Diwali is truly a time for decking up home, but I always start by checking what I already have. I believe in reusing and upcycling as much as possible. Last year, candles, lights, decor. But this year, I also wanted to add few new items and I wishlisted them long time back, almost in January. And I found them at very good price during the sale season. Most of my decor is something which is that I'll be using throughout the year. Few just specifically for Diwali, which includes these hanging lights. These torans or these floral garlands are of very good quality and I have them in orange and yellow color and I have used them previously. DIYs are where my heart truly lies, whether it's creating unique decor item or creating some unique gift items. You will be seeing me using my time in a bit of creative fun, and I will be sharing all that with you in upcoming videos.
But I'm finally coming home. Till then I'm dreaming of your heart, your eyes, our love. Darling, I can't wait till I see your face. Oh God, I miss you bad. The only thing I need is you beside me. Oh God, I miss you so bad. It's been so long, I know, but I'm finally coming home. Till then I'm dreaming of your heart, your eyes, our love. Your heart, your eyes, our love. It's been so long, I know, but I'm finally coming.
This long tray is actually the shelf from the kitchen organizer, where I just used the top shelf, and at the bottom shelf I have kept my large stand mixer.
Your heart, your eyes, our love.
When it comes to festive wear, I love repurposing outfit. It's not only good for the environment but also for the wallet. I mix and match, and there is no shame in repeating outfits, I tell you. Each piece tells a story. But if you do need something new, now is the perfect time. Wish list item or get it tailor made before the festive rush. I'm making a healthy corn salad. Very simple, just adding loads of vegetables in it with salt, pepper, chaat masala, and little bit of chilies. These days corns are coming so sweet and delicious. I just want to include them in everything. Diwali is also about having fun and making memories. I plan some games, family gatherings, and explore new places around the city. Even plan a vacation to visit my parents. After all, festivals are all about bonding and laughter, as they are all about rituals and traditions. Well, that's my approach to Diwali prep. Hope these tips will help you create a beautiful and a stress-free celebration. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Until next time, bye-bye.